Let's face it, in the investing world, speed is key. You see that hot stock climbing or that crypto about to explode? You don't want to miss out because your money's stuck in transfer limbo. So, how long does it actually take for Wealthsimple to deposit your hard-earned cash? Fear not, investing friends, because today we're cracking the code on Wealthsimple's deposit times. We'll break down the different ways to fund your account, explore those pesky waiting periods, and answer the burning question, can you get your money in there like yesterday? First things first, there are actually two key things to consider when it comes to Wealthsimple deposits: clearing time and availability for trading. Clearing time is essentially how long it takes for the funds to settle in Wealthsimple's system. This might sound like a boring detail, but trust me, it's crucial. Until the funds clear, you can't withdraw them or transfer them around. Think of it like the money going through bank security before it hits your investing playground. Now, availability for trading is the exciting part. This is when the money is officially yours to play with, to buy those stocks, or dive into crypto. It's like the green light saying, go forth and invest. Wealthsimple offers a few different funding methods, and each has its own deposit timeline. Let's dive into the nitty-gritty. Option 1, bank transfer. This is the classic method, the OG of funding accounts. It's reliable, secure, but not exactly known for its speed. Here's the deal, a bank transfer can take anywhere from 1 to 5 business days to clear in your Wealthsimple account. So, if you're picturing instant gratification, this might not be your best bet. Option 2, Interac e-transfer. Ah, the Canadian hero. If you're a fellow Canuck, this is your saving grace. Interac e-transfer boasts instant deposits. That's right, the funds appear in your Wealthsimple account as soon as the transfer is complete. Now that's what we're talking about. Option 3, debit card. This is a relatively new option for Wealthsimple users, and it's pretty neat. You can link your debit card to your account and deposit funds instantly. There's a catch, though. There's a daily limit of $1,000 and a monthly limit of $3,500 for instant deposits using your debit card. But hey, for smaller top-ups or those times you just can't wait, it's a handy tool. Hold on, there's more. Here's a wrinkle to throw into the mix. Wealthsimple has something called an instant deposit limit. This is the amount of money you can deposit and have it immediately available for trading. If you deposit more than your instant deposit limit, guess what? The exceeding amount will follow the usual clearing time, which can be those dreaded 1 to 5 business days. So, how high is this magical instant deposit limit? Well, that, my friend, depends on your account type and how long you've been a Wealthsimple user. The info isn't readily available on their website, so you might have to reach out to their customer support to get the specifics. Now, let's address the elephant in the room. Can you see your deposit before it clears? Absolutely. The funds will show up in your Wealthsimple account as pending until the clearing time is complete. It's like a little tease, a glimpse of what's to come, but you gotta wait patiently before you can unleash those funds on the market. Here's the bottom line. If you crave instant gratification, Interac e-transfer is your champion. Debit card deposits can also be your friend for smaller amounts, as long as you stay within the instant deposit limit. For larger deposits, or if you're not in a rush, the trusty bank transfer will get the job done, albeit at a slower pace. Remember, the key is to plan ahead. If you see an investment opportunity brewing, don't wait until the last minute to fund your account. Choose your deposit method based on your needs and factor in the clearing time. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, happy investing.